fidget trading with my BFF Owee. These are my fidgets. Oh, I forgot my fidget here. Stress ball. Homemade stress ball. I only have homemade stuff. Okay. Let's trade. Oh! Let's trade my infinity pup. Trading infinity pup. Trading infinity pup. Going once. Going twice. Me. Oh, hey, Munkareela. Oh, hey, Owee. I really want your infinity pup. Okay, you have to fidget trade with me. Okay, these are my fidgets. These are my homemade fidgets. I'll trade you my homemade, whatever those block things are. Okay, I'll accept. Yes, I really have I have some cool homemade toys now. Let's go to sleep because I have school tomorrow. I can't wait to see Owee. The next morning. I'm still so tired. Okay, let's go. 5 minutes later. Whee! Whee! So fun. Oh no! I gotta go! I'm gonna go check my neighbor now. Hey, Munkareela! Where are you, Munkareela? Oh, hey, Munkareela! Hi, I kind of fell and I don't want to get up. Oh. We gotta bring some toys to school today. That's what our challenge is. Okay. I'm gonna go bring my fidget toys to school. Oh, me too. Okay. I'm gonna bring this fidget. I'm gonna bring this fidget and this fidget. So, yeah, all my fidget toys. I'm by the bus. It's about to pick us up. Okay. Got my fidgets. Wait, what do you have? My marble mash. My homemade marble mash. Why is it gray this time? Oh, because my other one broke. So I wanted a new one. And I have the 2 infinity bracelet thingies you call. And I have my homemade stress ball made out of slime, a glove, and 2 rubber bands. Let's see your fidgets. Well, I have the infinity splat. The infinity splat's really cool. So, like that. And I have your infinity pup. You can squeeze the head and pop the head. You can turn the head like this. Like turn the body and turn the head. It's real fun. And I have this. I don't know what to do with it. It's just like a fidget. So I play with it like a fidget. Okay. Well, almost the school bus is here. Oh, the school bus is here. Gotta get my stuff. When we're on the school bus. Okay. 2 of my biscuits and this, and where's my marble mash? At least I'm in the same class as her. You forgot your marble mash. I don't know how to get it. Oh! I got mine. Whew, I was busy. I got mine. Okay. Today, class. Oh, yeah. What's this book? That book looks weird. Scoot up a little. We can lay down. Yeah? Don't know that. Okay, guys. If y'all like my school thing, y'all should like a part 2. Like for part 2.